In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Legend trading interface on Robinhood directly from your web browser. Whether you're exploring advanced trading features or just curious about what Legend has to offer, this guide will walk you through each step in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're brand new to Robinhood's platform. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other updated browser that you like to use for secure browsing. Once your browser is open, type in robinhood.com in the address bar at the top and press enter. This will bring you to Robinhood's official website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct site by checking the URL before you proceed, just to keep your account and information protected. On the home page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials, which are your username and password. Take a moment to input this information carefully. If you have two-factor authentication set up for added security, be sure to complete that step as well. Once you've entered everything correctly, click to sign in and you'll be taken to your main account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a side menu that helps you navigate different sections of your account. Scroll through these options and look for the menu item labeled Legend. If this is your very first time using the Legend feature, it may appear as Try Legend instead. Either way, click on that link to move forward. When you click on Legend, the site will automatically bring you to the Legend trading interface. The transition is smooth and doesn't require you to download or install any additional software. Everything happens within your open browser window. This convenience allows you to begin exploring the expanded tools and capabilities that Legend offers right away. You'll find a new layout with features tailored to more advanced traders, but don't worry, the site is designed to be intuitive, and you can always refer to Robinhood's Help Center for more detailed walkthroughs if you need guidance on specific tools. And that's it. You're now in the Legend trading interface on Robinhood. Remember, if you ever want to return to the standard view, you can navigate back through the menu just as easily. Thanks for watching and happy trading.